Hey Xiaomi users, after the HyperOS 4 feature showcase, many users including me really liked the new liquid glass control center. But the problem is not every Xiaomi device will get this update. So today I found a customized control center that looks almost like the HyperOS 4 control center and gives a similar premium feel. If your device hasn't received the update yet or is not eligible for a HyperOS 4, you can try this right now and get that new look on your phone. So let's get started. Now let's experience this control center. As I open it, you can immediately see the HyperOS 4 inspired design. The overall layout from the top section to the bottom gives a very similar latest HyperOS 4 vibe. If we open the music shortcut, you can see the liquid glass effect here as well. The brightness and volume sliders also comes with the same glassy design. Not only this, the edit toggle section also gives this premium look. If you look closely at the toggles, the glowing edges make them stand out just like the stock HyperOS 4 control center. And finally, the notification panel also gets the same visual touch, which completes the overall HyperOS 4 inspired feel. Now let's see how to apply this control center on your Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device. First, go to the pinned comment and download the backup file. Then install it using the backup and restore method. If you don't know how to do that, then watch our previous theme videos. After installing the theme, go to your theme store. Open Customize theme. Then apply Dark HOS 3 as your status bar. Then come back to the theme section and apply Free Canvas as your icons. After that, apply the stock icons from the icon section. So if you really like the HyperOS 4 liquid glass control center and want to experience that liquid glass vibe on your Xiaomi device, you can definitely try this control center right now. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this control center. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Mobile Funda for HyperOS themes and customization videos. See you in the next one. Until then, take care and keep customizing.